Good morning everyone. Today we'll start next collar, polo collar. Back collar, front is also collar like this. You will be getting complete close. Okay, front and back is complete close. Polo collar will be getting like this. Drafting and all same. Here 1 point for the polo collar. Polo means complete, it's look like a closing neck. Okay, neck is completely back, fully closing. That's why here for the neck width what we are doing is neck round divided by 4 minus 0.5. Generally we are taking this is completely closed. That's why here we are doing neck round divided by 4 minus 0.75 inches. This is only the difference, remaining all same. Let's see drafting. Before already we drafted, right, collar drafting and all same like that only. Here neck width, for the neck width neck round divided by 4 minus 0.5 inches, but for the polo collar I am doing neck round divided by 4 minus 0.75 inches because this is completely closing, right? That's why neck round, whatever the neck round you are getting, neck round 12.5 divided by 4 minus 0.75 inches, 2.375. Okay, from here we should mark 2.375, and from the armhole side only shoulder plus 1 divided by 2, 1.25 inch down marking, and armhole chest divided by 6 plus 0.5 chest divided by 6 plus 1 inch, and center marking from here to here mark the center 1 inch inside, and from here 0.5 inches inside draw arm. Everything same, whatever the drafting we are doing na, same drafting we are repeating. And here the changes, is there any doubts in the drafting? Before classes you can refer. Here the difference is only the neck part. One is neck width and the second one is neck deep. Okay, back part same as it is, from here 0.75 inches, and front part neck deep is how much you are getting neck width. Okay, here I am getting 2.375, same 2.375. From here we should mark same 2.375. how much you are getting, same marking will be for the neck deep also. This is only the difference, remaining same drafting. Next, let's start cutting. Okay, for wearing we need open, right? For here I am taking back open. For back open, see, this is chest line, right? Now from the neck to this one mark the center. From here to here mark the center. Okay, from the center take 0.75 inches down. Okay, till here we have to take the open. Done. Okay, this is the back part cutting and front part cutting. Let's see how to draft the collar and all. For back part, this open finishing, take one strip. Okay, how much strip length and width we have to take, it means, see, from here to here we need to calculate like this. See, from here to here take how much round is there, complete. Okay, this is 10 inches. How much we are getting, take extra 1 to 2 inches extra. Okay, here this one is 10 inches is there. That's why I'm taking 10 plus 2, 2 inches extra, 12 inches. Here take one strip like this. Okay, length of the strip is 12 inches and width of the strip is 1.5 inch. Width of the strip is 1.5 inches. Take one strip and finish it off. Okay, first we need to do the pressing for this. Okay, for the pressing and all, take 0.25 after one line. Okay, press this one like this, and this side also take 0.25 after one line and press it. Next, again fold this one and press. This two should be equal. Okay, this is we are taking 1.5 inches. That's why 0.25 after one line this side, and this side also 0.25 after one line. Press it and place like this one more time and press it. After pressing and all, the strip is getting like this. Okay, see, after pressing the strip is coming like this. Then take your back block and one more point. Okay, this corner will take one cut. Okay, this side, this corner will take one small cut like a V shape. This side and this side, one line. This side one line and this side one line. Extra trim it off. Now we'll be getting like this. Done. Now we'll press it and shoulder attachment. After done this shoulder attachment, stitch for 1/2 inch.